The Mohave, also known as the Borrego in a few markets, is a 5-door SUV first launched by Kia Motors in 2008. Fast forward 11 years, the Korean carmaker showcased a second facelift for the car at the 2019 Seoul Motor Show as the masterpiece concept, which put it in line with Kia's latest design language. The Mohave facelift was launched in South Korea in September last year as a 2020 model, and it is currently Kia's flagship SUV in its home country. While the 2020 Mohave retains the body-on-frame chassis from its predecessor, the new SUV looks nothing like the car it replaces. Up front, the Mohave gets a bold and wide radiator grille that dominates the front end of the car. The grille is flanked by quad-projector LED headlamps, while the SUV also gets projector fog lamps. Interestingly, the car gets a unique Mohave badging all around instead of the regular Kia emblem. At the rear, it supports LED combination tail lamps along with Mohave lettering in the middle of the tailgate. In order to make the car look sportier, Kia has also added a skid plate at the rear with Fox quad exhaust tips. Inside the cabin, the car gets a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster along with a similarly sized touchscreen infotainment system. Kia offers the 2020 Mohave with a 5-seat and an optional 6-seat configuration. The South Korean spec Mohave comes equipped with a Seoul 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine that has a maximum power output of 260 HP, while the peak torque output is rated at 560 Nm. The said powertrain uses an 8-speed automatic gearbox that sends powers to all the 4 wheels.